Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video. And
Well,
we'll
hey
talk.
family, happy Friday. This is Darlene with a haul. I had went to Hobby Lobby earlier to go kind of stock up on some supplies, and I said, okay, this should be enough because San Diego is scheduled or forecast to have another storm coming through for, I think it's 6 or 7 days. They're saying tomorrow is supposed to be a dry day, but then after tomorrow, which is Saturday, it's supposed to be 6 or 7 days of wetness. So I just kind of went out, got some supplies. Hobby Lobby is having a sale right now. Everything is, well, not everything, but the color gallery is 50% off. So I did really good with these color gallery. I think these were too, though. The traditions, these were half off too. So I did find some cute little turtles for these. So they were $3.99. So that gives me like $2, $1.98, I believe. Oh, and I also saw these. I have been liking these. Um, wait, this one is these puka shells. I like these, and I have been wanting to paint some and dot them up myself, and I probably will do that. I wouldn't have bought these if they weren't half off. So they regular price $5.99. Of course, what, $2.98 for 2 4 2 4 6 for 8 of them. So I can probably buy a bag of the puka shells that are blank for $3 and some change, or add some money to it and get a lot more and then go ahead and paint them and dot them up myself. But I do like these. So I did get these. I'm going to use these on a bracelet or two because I want to make some really not chunky but charmy like bracelets. So that's what I'm going to be working on. And then I did find these beads right here. I don't like them really. I think these are plastic. They were $4.99. So that's $2.50. However, I don't like them to use them as a lot of beads to make something. But I do like them to use one of the beads or two of the beads periodically throughout a piece that I make. And it just adds a little different look to it with the type of bead, but not to use them only because I think these are some popular beads. I think a lot of people use these beads. So let's get into it. I got two of these. I did pretty good. I spent about $51. I think it was $51.82. So I got these beads here. These are really pretty. They look like a leaf, and these are glass beads. So I got two of these. Regular price $4.99. So wait, one is $3.99 and one is $4.99. Let's see, and that's why you gotta pay attention to the tags. And let me look at something. What's the difference? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 beads. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So they both have 18 beads. There's nothing different about the color. They are literally the exact same beads. However, the price is different. One is $4.99. You probably can't see that. One is $4.99, and then one is $3.99. It should have $3.99, $4.99, $4.99. So there was a difference in price. I paid higher for one than I did the other one. And I don't think this is by accident. I really do think that there's different strategies that are being used to take more money out of our pocket because they know we don't pay attention. Well, I generally pay attention to price tags and stuff because I looked at every one of them. So I must have just looked at only this one because I did see $3.99 and I thought to myself, that's a real good price. So immediately I grabbed two. So when I grabbed two, I didn't see one for the $4.99 because I didn't think I needed to because what was there was $3.99. But I know now to pay more attention to Hobby Lobby tags. So that's something I don't like. That's a negative about this haul already. So then I got these here. I really like these. I can even use, no, probably won't. This is kind of thick. These were $4.49 each. I really love the color. Really love the color of these. And then you got 2 strands. So I do like that. And then with these were $4.99. And I grabbed 2 of these, and these I think are supposed to be bone. I grabbed 2 of these because I like all the different colors and stuff, and I could make a lot of nice smaller bracelets. Like with the 8mm beads, I could mix these beads with those 8mm beads. They came with 3 strands, and I always try to grab them that got more than 1 strand on them. So that was that one. Not unless they're pretty beads like this one. These were $3.99 regular price. So with that was what, $1.98. So I got these here. The last time I was in there, I was hunting for some of these black beads, these black glass beads. They were out. They didn't have any. So this one was hanging up there all by its lonesome, just waiting on me. So I was able to grab this one today. Beautiful black. And then I did grab some vinyl. These were $4.99 regular price, 50% off. And I grabbed these solely because they have 3 strands on them. And then they have all these colors. And then I can take sections. I can just take sections of the beads like this here and add them onto a bracelet. I can maybe mix them with some black. I can do a lot with all these colors. So that's why I grabbed 2 of these. I grabbed this one. These are glass beads, $6.99. I love the color. So these were $6.99, and I grabbed them because there's two strands. So I really like these. Very pretty. And of course, I grabbed some orange. These are glass too for $4.99. 2 strands, $4.99 regular price and 50% off. So all of these were 50% off. These were $5.99 regular price. Dyed bamboo coral. I love coral. Just the ruby redness of it. I think it's just one of the most beautiful beads. Regular price $5.99. So that would have been $2.98. So this one only had one, so it's like, oh well. I liked them, so I went ahead and grabbed them. These right here too, $3.99 regular price, 50% off. I like these because I got some beads around here that I could mix these beads with. So that was one of the reasons why I grabbed these, because I had these beads in mind. So these beads that I got in that little goodie box, I had these beads in mind to mix with these beads right here. And then I'm going to mix something else with them to make some bracelets. So that's the reason why I bought these right here. And then, you know, I always got to grab me some of these dyed bone beads. And it's always only one left. I'm like, who is coming in here buying up all these bone beads, dyed bone beads? But I did grab some more of these. They only had one left. And then these right here, dyed agate. These were $6.99 regular price, 50% off. I love the blue on them. And I got these because I do have some these gemstone beads I'm going to mix, and then I'm going to probably make some type of charm, wire charms, and do something special. Maybe use these to make a chunky necklace with a bunch of charms all over it. I haven't been doing that in a while. Something with bracelets and stuff with a lot of charms, and I like it with a bunch of charms. I was watching somebody's video the other day, and the way that she added the wire on to her, I think it was on a bracelet, she put the wire around and then put the charm on and then closed it off. And I like that because it is more secure than using jump rings. However, you will be using more wire, but I do like the secureness of, what that gave. So this is what I got. The only negative about this is one set of beads was priced higher than the other one by $1. And that was these beads here. Beautiful beads. And I'm thinking if I drive all the way back down there, I'm spending more money just to go back down there to get my dollar back then. Makes sense. So, you win some, you lose some. It is what it is. I got a nice supply though. I got a really nice supply of beads that I can work with. I'm going to be doing some creating. I am working on some more bracelets for February. I'm going to work on some earrings, some bracelets. I am going to get back to making some more chunky necklaces at some point using the beads that I paint. So I am going to be doing that. But in the meantime, I'm gonna just do a series on freestyle. How about we do that? Okay. So whatever comes to mind, that's what I'm gonna do. So it's a series on freestyle. That's what I'm gonna do. But anyway, this is my haul for today. I think I did pretty good with this. It came out to be $51 and I think 82 cents or something. So if I calculated all that regular price, I'm sure it would have been double the 100, so well over $100. So I did do pretty good with this. I'm content for now when it comes to beads and supplies. And one thing I couldn't do, they had the stretch cord, the magic stretch cord, 1 millimeter. Um, I think it was for 82.02 feet, 25 m. I think that's what it was for $5.99. I was like, there's no way I'm getting ready to pay you for that because Michael's has it, I think, for $4.79. And then on a good day, I can get it on Amazon for $4.50. $4.50. I think the highest I paid is maybe $5 and some change. But again, on Amazon, if you go to the bottom of the barrel, just like a sale. If you take in the ones at the very top, of course you're paying the higher price. But even on Amazon, if you dig and dig and dig through there, you're gonna run into some good stuff. You're gonna find some goodies. But anyway, Darlene Knight for Jewelry by BDK, and guess what? We'll talk